Rusty with Dingo Power here. Wanted to do yet another quick video on TX1000 wide track bogie wheels or road wheel. So here we have two road wheels. The one on the left is for the newer units. The one on the right is for 2016 and a half, approximately, in 2015 machines. You can tell the difference on them. Basically, this one's just over 6 inches and this one's around 8 inches. So when you go to replace these road wheels, I'm going to ask you either your serial number or ask you how wide your road wheels are. And that way you get the right road wheel. The bearings are replaceable on these. These have the latest, both of them have the latest bearing sets that Toro uses that has this seal and cap in front of the bearing. The earlier ones did not have this seal on them. Typically my recommendation is when you pull these off, if you've got this cap on here, which typically it doesn't wear completely off, but if you have this cap on here, you go ahead and you can just order bearings and replace your bearings. However, if you do not have this cap when you're disassembling it, there are 3 different versions of this roller and 2 different versions of this width roller, and it depends on when it was replaced, if it had been replaced, or whether it's original to your machine, which bearing it uses. So it can be difficult to determine which bearing you have. However, if you don't have this cap, I would just recommend replacing the road wheel in its entirety, and that way you have the latest design of bearing sets in it, and you'll get a lot longer life out of the road wheel than the original road wheels. As always, thanks for watching. You can check us out at dingopower.com for all your parts needs, or give us a call or shoot us an email. Thank you.